Here's just a little programming note for your group. Next week, you'll finish the current series that you're working on right now, so congratulations. And so that means it's time to answer some questions as a group. First of all, do we want to continue on as a group? And if so, what series should we do next? It's a good time now to start thinking about it before next week. It's good to do it a little bit sooner rather than later. And one of the questions you should specifically ask is, do we need to do foundations as a group? If there's anyone in your group that hasn't taken foundations, that's a 6-week series that goes through the basic message of the Bible. Then that's a great series to choose next. And then another question is, are there others that we should invite to join us in our group? This is a great time before you start the next series. It's a great time to invite some others to join you in your group. Here's the second question. Is anyone ready to start their own group? Maybe you've met as a group for a while now and someone's ready to branch off. Maybe your group has gotten too big and so you're ready to start your own group. This is a great time to do that. So a couple questions again. What series will you do? And actually, you might need to do the Start a Group series. That's a series on the Red Note site that just helps walk you through some basics when you're thinking about starting your own group. That might be a good series to do before you get that new group started. And then, of course, ask the question, who will go with you? Maybe there are some others in your group. Again, maybe your group has gotten to the point where it's too big, so you might split into 2 groups, or maybe a couple of people are ready to start their own group. Encourage you to do that. This is a great time to do that. So why don't you just hit pause right now, answer the above questions as a group, and then discuss your next steps together. And we'll see you next week to finish up our current series.